You're watching Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle. I'm going to show you the easiest homemade ice cream recipe, a vegan classic that takes just minutes and has only one ingredient, bananas. Let's make nice cream. Put 2 cups frozen sliced bananas in a blender, add a little water or plant milk, and blend to create a creamy dessert. Place it in a bowl and eat it as is, or add your favorite toppings. I'm adding cranberries and cacao nibs. Freeze it for a thicker consistency or enjoy immediately. When you make these recipes, tag Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle in your posts. Follow on social media for exclusives and to find out what's airing next. Watch Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle on YouTube for these recipes and more. Like and comment on YouTube, share episode and content links, and subscribe even if you're watching on TV.